Are you looking for a gaming monitor for the PS5? In this video, I will show you the best gaming monitor for the PS5 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The sixth product on the list is the BenQ EW3280U. See more with 4K HDR. This monitor has incredible 16:9 image quality with 4K UHD 3840x2160 resolution and a 95% DCI-P3 wide color gamut on an IPS panel that makes games and movies look amazing. Get sharp details every time. Proprietary HDR enhances HDR content with intelligent control, clarity refinement, and vivid colors for game or movie enjoyment. It also has FreeSync and the super resolution help improve video performance. Finally, hear what you've been missing. With the 2.1-channel speakers, 5W subwoofer and DSP-powered custom audio options reveal new levels of sound quality and intensity. This monitor gets you what you want, how you want it. Access preferred settings with an included remote control, 5-way navigator, and a volume wheel. Isn't that awesome? The versatile USB-C, HDMI, and DP ports let you connect various devices to your monitor. EW3280U USB-C offers video transfer and 60W power delivery. Number 5 on the list is the Alienware AW3420DW. Experience breathtaking views with a combination of immersive features including a 1900 or curved, wide 21:9 display maximizes the field of view and provides an even, consistent viewing experience. With a WQHD resolution, the image is sharp and detailed, delivering an immersive experience. A 120 Hz refresh rate with NVIDIA G-Sync provides buttery smooth gameplay and realism. The G-Sync technology synchronizes the GPU and monitor, displaying full frames only when the monitor is capable of displaying them. This minimizes graphic distortions such as tearing and artifacts from forming on screen. The 120 Hz refresh rate is important to gamers, allowing them to see faster and react to quick events sooner. Adopting IPS nano color technology, the Alienware 34 curved gaming monitor exceeds the sRGB color spectrum and is now described by DCI-P3, a cinematic, professional standard. Offering 98% DCI-P3 color coverage, this gaming monitor provides incredible accuracy and color depth, so that the game's colors are experienced as it was designed to be seen. Alienware customizable lighting allows gamers to set the mood with the Alienware head logo, the continuous light strip on the stand, the downlight, and the power button as 4 customizable zones with full RGB value. The fourth product on the list is the Samsung Odyssey G7. Get your head in the game with Odyssey's 1000R panel, which matches the curvature of the human eye for maximum immersion and minimal eye strain. Make your gaming world more lifelike than ever before. Packing in 1.7 times the pixel density of Full HD, WQHD resolution boasts incredibly detailed, pin-sharp images. You can experience a fuller view with more space to take in all the action. Dropping frames means dropping chances to put your enemy in the dirt. With NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support, Odyssey matches every frame from your graphics card, so you're never caught short from moment to moment. Topping leaderboards never looked or felt so smooth with Odyssey's rapid 240 Hz refresh rate. You have up to 4 times as many frames displayed on screen every second compared to a traditional screen. This gives you a huge advantage. Odyssey's Infinity Core is a striking addition to any desktop, matching world firsts in technology, with stunning visual design. A fraction of a second can be the difference between your destruction or your enemies. With Odyssey's gray-to-gray 1 millisecond response time, you can be sure that you're receiving information as fast as technologically possible. From deepest blacks to vivid colors, Samsung QLED ensures pixel-perfect picture quality with every frame. Utilizing quantum dot technology, Samsung QLED creates more vivid colors with 125% more color space compared to sRGB, ensuring the highest class of color reproduction. From damp and dark corridors to sunlit alien vistas, Odyssey's HDR600 brings incredible depth to the worlds you choose to explore, revealing the smallest hidden details so you don't miss a thing. The third product on the list is the Acer Predator XB273K. The Acer Predator is a 27-inch UHD 4K widescreen IPS NVIDIA G-Sync compatible display. That means this is a high-quality screen with an amazing display. It comes with 120 Hz using two display ports, high brightness and contrast with VESA certified display HDR 400. And as if that wasn't enough, yet a DCI-P3 90% wide color gamut. With all of these features, you can easily optimize colors with the Quantum Dot technology, and there's no color difference with Delta E1. The second product on the list is the LG 32GK650FB. Watch games come to life with vibrant QHD clarity and detail. The precise 2560x1440 resolution and impressive 31.5 inches screen size combine for a thrilling, immersive gaming experience. The FreeSync technology reduces the tearing and stuttering that occur between a graphic card's frame rate and a monitor's refresh rate, enabling smoother motion and less stuttering in games. It comes with 144 Hz refresh rate. Games played on this monitor are noticeably smoother and clearer when compared to gameplay on monitors with refresh rates of 60 Hz or 75 Hz. Dynamic Action Sync assures smooth action, while Black Stabilizer reveals enhanced detail in dark scenes. The crosshair feature enhances accuracy in FPS games. Apart from that, the ultra-thin bezel on three sides of this streamlined display offers a virtually borderless visual experience, a sleek addition for any gamer. Number 1 on the list is the Acer Nitro 15273K. The Acer Nitro is a better version of the Acer Predator in this list. This one is a 27-inch HD 4K widescreen IPS zero-frame AMD Radeon FreeSync and G-Sync compatible monitor. The response time is great, 1 millisecond VRB. The refresh rate is awesome too, 120 Hz, overclocking to 144 Hz. For this it's using two display ports. It also comes with two speakers, 4 watts per speaker, which is a great feature if you want to play with sound out loud. Overall, this will give you the best product in terms of gaming experience, display quality, size of the monitor is perfect for gaming, and all of that for a good price. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.